Good afternoon, you guys. Just going to give you a quick update on how the portfolio has been doing and some moves I'm making, raising some cash, and why I might be doing so. So let's get right into it. This is the dividend snowball portfolio. For the last 2 weeks, you see I've had a 5.3% return, so doing great in the dividend value portfolio. And I've shown kind of what my holdings are before on the channel, so if you haven't seen that already, go back and check out my page for that info. But here's a quick breakdown of the market cap versus the style of stock that I'm holding. So I hold primarily large cap stocks with mostly leaning towards value. Now switching over to the baby portfolio on Robinhood, you can see that I'm up 33% over the past month on this one. Now in this portfolio, I trade a bit more, so I will invest in speculative stocks. As you can see right now, I'm currently in Bitmine Immersion, which is the Ethereum treasury. Now switching over to the Schwab portfolio, where I hold a bunch of my growth stocks. As you can see, Meta, Google, Nvidia are my core positions, but PayPal, Adobe, and Lulu are recent buys that are starting to come back to life now. So now let's talk about why I'm raising some cash. So I'm about 7% cash across all three accounts. I did sell some shares today. I'll show that right now. So primarily, I like these stocks, but I just trimmed a little bit, picking the fruit, as I've talked about on this channel. So I sold 2 shares of Toyota, a share of Target, and 1 share of Pepsi. Pepsi's been an absolute monster. Ever since value stocks have been coming back into favor during this August rotation, it has been absolutely crushing it. It's at a little bit of a near-term resistance on the chart, so I did sell 1 share. I'm up 15% in a few months of this position, so I like to pick the fruits and lock in that profit. Now, upcoming in this week is a lot of the big box retailers are reporting earnings, and this will tell us a lot about the consumer and their spending. So we got Home Depot, Lowe's, Target, Walmart, and more on the slate to report. So watch retailers and see how they do. Now to the final segment of this video, talk about why I'm raising some cash. Number 1, September is the worst performing month of the market on average, with October being the second worst month of the year. Number 2, Powell has a chance to come out very hawkish at Jackson Hole. And with the betting market pricing the odds of a rate cut in September at 85%, he could come out and scare the markets by implying that he doesn't think a rate cut is needed. And number 3, volatility is relatively low going into these bad months. If the president's meeting with Zelensky doesn't go well, if the big box retailers disappoint in earnings this week, if Jerome Powell comes out hawkish at Jackson Hole, if the Fed doesn't cut in September, these are all reasons that a massive spike in volatility could be coming soon. I don't see anything great as a great buy right now, and everything that I do see as a pretty good buy, I am scaled into already, so that's why I've raised some cash and I'm waiting for opportunity. But good luck out there, and thanks for tuning in. Peace!